Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Confluence templates for project documentation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Confluence and log in to your account. Navigate to the space where you want to create the template. Click on Space Settings in the sidebar. Select Content Tools from the available options. Switch to the Templates tab. Click on Create New Template to start building your custom template. You will see a blank page where you can add your template elements. Begin by giving your template a clear title. Add sections for essential components such as objectives, deliverables, and timelines. Use headings to organize content and make it easy to read. Insert placeholders where users can fill in specific information. Consider adding tables for structured data like task lists or timelines. You can also include macros to enhance functionality, such as the status report or task report macros. Format the text and layout to align with your project's branding and style guide. Once finished, review the template for clarity and completeness. Click on the Save button to store your new template. To ensure it's easy for team members to find, consider pinning it in the space. Test the template by creating a new page from it to make sure everything is working as intended. Make adjustments as needed based on feedback from team members. Now your Confluence template is ready for project documentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.